Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about one of the best known and my favorite kitchen ingredient, which is the potato. So in this video, I'm not just going to show you one but 5 highly effective potato face mask जो कि आपके अलग-अलग skin concerns के लिए हैं. So whether you're looking for brighter skin, fighting the signs of aging, या आपको अपने dark spots या pigmentation से छुटकारा पाना है और sun tan को remove करना है completely अपनी skin से, या अगर आपको pimples या acne ज़्यादा हो गए उनको ट्रीट करना है, then I have just got you covered because this video has it all. इस वीडियो में आपको इन सारी स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स को ट्रीट करने के फेस मास्क मिल जाएंगे. बट बिफोर वी डाइव इनटू दीस DIY वंडर्स, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट कि पोटैटो में ऐसा क्या है जिससे कि वो इतने सारे स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स को ट्रीट कर सकता है. सो रीसेंट स्टडीज बताती हैं कि पोटैटो यानी कि आलू के अंदर होता है एज़ेलिक एसिड और साइटोकिन जो कि कंट्रोल करता है पिंपल फॉर्मेशन और ट्रीट करता है आपके पिंपल्स और एक्ने को. और जो ये एज़ेलिक एसिड है वो हेल्प करता है टू लाइटन योर डार्क स्पॉट्स, ब्लेमिशेस और ग्रेजुअली पिगमेंटेशन और हाइपरपिगमेंटेशन को रिमूव करने में मदद करता है. एंड पोटैटो एक नेचुरल मॉइस्चराइजर भी है बिकॉज उसके अंदर नेचुरली हाइलुरोनिक एसिड बनता है विच मॉइस्चराइजेस एंड हाइड्रेट्स योर स्किन. सो ये थे पोटैटो के बेनिफिट्स जो कि इसको इतना अच्छा नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट बनाते हैं. एंड नाउ लेट्स जस्ट गेट दिस पोटैटो पार्टी started and let's move on to our first face mask, which is a skin brightening face mask. And to prepare this face mask, we firstly gonna need licorice powder, or it's also known as mulethi powder. And here you just have to take 2 tablespoons of licorice powder into a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need honey, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey into it. Then you're gonna need glycerin, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of glycerin into it. After that, you're gonna need potato juice, and if you don't know how to prepare potato juice, then just check out my previous videos. So here I'm just adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of potato juice into it. And after adding the potato juice, just mix everything really well so that it combines into a smooth and a lump-free paste. After that, you're gonna need half lemon, and here I'm just adding few drops of lemon juice into it. And if you're allergic to lemon, then just skip the lemon. And now again just give a slight mix to all these ingredients so that it makes a smooth paste. And yeah, after mixing everything really well, your homemade potato face mask is ready, which is really good for skin brightening, skin lightening, as well as to remove your suntan from your skin, as it has all the natural ingredients into it, which works effectively in treating your dark spots and acne scars as well. So this face mask helps in skin brightening and skin lightening, as it has licorice powder into it, which is a really good skin brightening agent, as well as it helps in removing the suntan from your skin. And potato is a really good ingredient for anti-aging, skin bleaching, skin lightening, and in removing the dark spots and acne scars as well. So this face mask has it all. So definitely try this face mask if your skin is dull and uneven skin tone. So to use this face mask, just apply a thick and even layer of this face mask all over your skin, and then just leave it like that for around 15-20 minutes or until it dries completely. And once it dried completely, just rinse it off using normal water and then pat and moisturize your skin. And for the best results, you have to use this face mask twice or thrice in a week. Now let's move on to the next face mask, which is specially made to treat your acne, pimples and acne scars. And to prepare this face mask, we firstly gonna need neem powder, and here I'm taking 2 teaspoons of neem powder into a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need vitamin E oil, or it's also known as vitamin E oil, however you want to pronounce it. And here I'm adding half a teaspoon of vitamin E or vitamin E oil into it. Now next up, you're gonna need honey, and here I'm adding half teaspoon of honey into it. Now you're gonna need potato juice, and here I'm adding 2 teaspoons of potato juice into it. And now lastly, you're gonna need curd or yogurt, and here I'm adding 2 big tablespoons of curd or yogurt into it. And after adding all these ingredients, just mix and mix until it makes into a smooth and lump-free paste. And after mixing everything really well, your homemade neem and potato face mask is ready, which is best for acne, pimples and acne scars. This face mask really works for your active acne, pus wale acne जो होते हैं उन सब के लिए this face mask really works. It has the goodness of neem, which is a really good ingredient for your pimples and acne, and potato works miraculously well for your acne scars as well as for dark spots. So if you have active acne, acne scars or pimples, then do try this face mask. It will really help to heal those pimples pimples and acne. And the simplest and the easiest way to apply this face mask is to just apply it with the help of a brush. Just apply a thick and even layer of this face mask all over your face and neck, and then leave it to dry completely for 15-20 minutes. And after that, just rinse it off using normal water and pat and moisturize your skin. And for the best results, you have to use this face mask twice or thrice in a week. Now the next face mask is for anti-aging as well as for stubborn dark spot removal. And to prepare this face mask, we firstly gonna need coffee powder, and here I'm just using this instant coffee powder, but you can use any coffee powder which you have. Next up, you're gonna need licorice powder, or it's also known as malati powder as I've told you, and here I'm just taking 1 teaspoon of licorice powder into it and just mixing both these powder ingredients really well. After that, you're gonna need vitamin E oil, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. After that, you're gonna need lemon, and here I'm adding few drops of lemon juice into it. After that, you're gonna need potato juice, and here I'm adding approx 2 to 3 teaspoon of potato juice into it. And now lastly, you're gonna need milk, and if you have oily skin or you don't want to use the milk, then you can also use rose water. And here I'm adding 2 to 3 teaspoon of milk into it. And after adding the milk, just mix everything really nicely to make into a smooth and a lump-free paste. And after mixing everything really well, your homemade anti-aging as well as stubborn dark spot removal face mask is ready, and it will look something like this. This face mask has potato and coffee, which are the very good strong ingredients to remove your stubborn dark spots and pigmentation marks which are not going anywhere. This face mask will help to treat all of that. It has amazing anti-aging properties into it as well, which really helps in fading away your wrinkles and fine lines and makes your skin really bright and glowing. So the easiest way to apply this face mask is to just apply a thick and even layer of this face mask all over your face and neck, and then just leave it like that for around 15-20 minutes. And after that, just rinse it off using normal water and pat and moisturize your skin. And for the best results, you have to use this face mask twice or thrice in a week. Now let's move on to the next face mask, which is for skin brightening, dark spots and suntan removal. And to prepare this face mask, we firstly gonna need baking soda, and here I'm taking 1 tablespoon of baking soda into a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need honey, and here I'm adding 1 big tablespoon of honey into it. Now after that, you're gonna need aloe vera gel, and here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel into it. Now after that, you're gonna need potato juice, and here I'm adding 2 teaspoons of potato juice into it. And now lastly, you're gonna need lemon juice, and here I'm squeezing half lemon into it. And once you squeeze the lemon, you'll see कि bubbles form होने लग गए हैं, and your face mask is getting ready. So yeah, once you'll mix everything really well, your homemade skin brightening as well as dark spot and suntan removal face mask is ready, and it will look something like this. So this face mask is a really good face mask for skin lightening, skin brightening as well as for stubborn dark spots, acne scars and suntan removal. It will really help you in removing all those dark spots and black spots which are not going anywhere. This face mask has the ability to treat all of that and to fade away all those marks from your skin. So this face mask is a very good face mask, but this face mask is not for the sensitive skin people. So if you have sensitive skin, then stay away from this face mask. So yeah, this is that, and the easiest way to apply this face mask is to just take a cotton ball or just take a cotton pad and dip it into this mixture, and then just gently apply it all over your face and neck. And after you apply a generous amount of this face mask all over your skin, just leave it like that for around 10 to 15 minutes, and after that, just rinse it off using normal water and then pat and moisturize your skin. And for the best results, you have to just use this face mask once or twice in a week. Now let's move on to the last face mask, which is for dark spot removal, pigmentation as well as hyperpigmentation removal. So to prepare this face mask, we firstly gonna need amla powder, or it's also known as Indian gooseberry powder. And here I'm just taking approx 2 tablespoons of amla powder or Indian gooseberry powder into a clean bowl. After that, you're gonna need olive oil, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of olive oil into it. And after adding the olive oil, you're gonna need lemon, and here I'm adding few drops of lemon juice into it. Then you're gonna need potato juice, and here I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of potato juice into it. And now lastly, you're gonna need milk, and as I've told you, if you're allergic to milk or you don't want to use milk, then you can also use rose water. And after adding the milk, just mix until it makes into a smooth and a lump-free paste. And once everything is nicely mixed, your homemade dark spots, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation removal face mask is ready and will look something like this. This face mask has skin brightening, skin bleaching, skin lightening as as well as the ability to treat your skin pigmentation, dark spots and acne scars. It's a really good face mask for bright and clear skin, and the easiest way to use this face mask is to just apply a thick and even layer of this face mask all over your skin and then just leave it like that for around 15-20 minutes, and after that just rinse it off using normal water and pat dry and moisturize your skin. And for the best results, you have to use this face mask twice or thrice in a week. So yeah, these were the top 5 potato face masks which really helps in skin brightening, skin tightening, anti-aging, as well as in removing your dark spots and pigmentation marks. All these face masks are really effective in making your skin clear, bright, glowing and even toned. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.